Hi family, hi YouTube, good morning, good afternoon and good evening from where you're watching from. So guys, in this video I'll be making the Knotless big boss braids on my hair. So I think it's long now, like 5-6 years I've not done my hair as in boss braid on myself. So I'm going to try it, and this is going to be a different pattern. Just watch the video, and at the middle I can just say something. So if you don't understand, or if there's any question, please feel free to let me know in the comment section, and please share by subscribing and commenting. As you do that, God bless you in Jesus' name, amen. So this is the first part I'm doing. I'll just cut the hair, trying to make sure I get it straight, but it was not straight. So after cutting the hair, I'll just put gel. I'm using a echo gel, I'm using edge control, that's what I'm using. So I'll just put the gel through that line, so that at least, because my hair is natural hair, and you know natural hair for big knotless braid is not that good. So this is me trying to comb it so that it will slip down a little bit. After doing that, I try to just use a clip to clip the rest of the hair so that it will not stop me when I'm doing it. So I just divide the hair into two pieces. This is what I'm doing. See, very big. After doing that, I still use a edge control gel just to put the part, make sure the part is very clear and beautiful. So this is what I'm doing. Then I'll just try to weave the hair, like weave it like just weave it. So this I'm weaving. So just watch the video gently, you will understand what I'm doing. So keep watching, and I will see you later. Okay. guys, what I'm going to do is I just leave the hair, pack it, so I'll just comb it because the hair is very thick. So I'll just put it from the down first, then try to use my expression. This expression I'm using, you see, I'm trying to put the expression inside the hook, bring it out, remove the hook, and just bring out one side of the attachment out. So you see, I do it gently. So when you're do it gently. So I try to make it equal, then put it from the other side again, not the side you put before, just the other side. After doing that, just to cut your expression as I did before, then I'll put it in the hook. Make sure when you're putting the hook, use your hand to feel it. You see, put it in the hook and you close it. If you do not close it, it will not come out. So after bringing it out, just use your hand to draw. So this is it. So depends on how you want it. If you want it big, you will add more attached. If you want it small, so I will try to divide it into 3 parts, then the hair will look off one side. So this is me trying to divide the hair because this side was same. So I'll just weave it like this gently. Keep weaving it gently, it will come out great. Keep weaving it gently, the look is going to come out great. So this is how I weave the hair. So let me leave you to watch the video. If there's any question you still want to ask me, please watch gently, and trust me, you're going to understand and learn something from this video. rock the hair. The hair is so beautiful. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do subscribe, like, comment, share. As you do that, God bless you in Jesus name. Amen. Bye guys, and see you in my next video. I love you all.